Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage languages on your general settings on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application, and here you will find this three lines up left here, and here you will find the settings. Click on it, and next go to the general settings, and here you will find the languages. Click on it. So as you see here, you can choose between this and language, and English I mean, and click save after this, and it will be changed successfully. So that's how to change or how to manage your languages. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.